This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Rent Oceanside, 1 block from the best beach in Vero. Available now in Central Beach. This unfurnished annual rental is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 baths with large open floor plan and gorgeous large backyard. Great place to dip your toe in Vero and see what this charming beachside town has to offer. Easy to show. Wont Last. Close to boardwalk, ocean, dining, hotels, shopping and fine dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.